In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore full color to an image stuck in Grayscale. If you've ever opened a file and noticed that everything you paint, paste, or adjust shows up only in shades of gray, your document is most likely set to a Grayscale color mode. The fix is simple and takes just a moment, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what's happening and why. Start by heading to the top menu and choosing Image, then Mode. This is where your document's color mode is defined. If you see that Grayscale is selected, that explains the lack of color. Grayscale limits the document to black, white, and gray values only, which is great for some workflows but prevents any true color from appearing. To bring color back, switch from Grayscale to RGB color if your work is intended for screens, such as web graphics, social posts, or digital presentations. RGB stands for red, green, and blue, the primary colors of light used by monitors and mobile devices. It offers a wide, vibrant color range, making it a reliable default for most digital projects. Alternatively, choose CMYK color if you're preparing artwork that will be printed. CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and key black, the standard ink colors used in printing. This mode helps you work within the print-friendly color space from the start, so your on-screen colors are more likely to resemble the final printed result. Once you switch out of Grayscale, your document will support full color again. You'll notice the color picker now shows a complete spectrum instead of a single gray slider, and tools like brushes, gradients, and fills will behave as you expect with rich hues. Keep in mind, converting to RGB or CMYK doesn't automatically colorize an image that was genuinely black and white. It simply restores the ability to apply and display color going forward. A quick tip for choosing between RGB and CMYK. If your final destination is a screen, stick with RGB for flexibility and a broader range of effects. If your destination is a professional printer, CMYK provides a more accurate preview of print-ready tones. If you're unsure, start in RGB and consult your printer's specifications later in the process. That's all there is to it. Image, mode, switch off Grayscale, and you're back in color. With this simple adjustment, you can continue editing confidently, knowing your document is set up for the right output, and your tools will show their full range of color.